I'm Hawk with Cheyenne US Repair, and I'm here to talk to you about shipping your tattoo machines in for repair. With the Solnova or the Hawk pen, really, any machine, it's great. If you have the original packaging, you can box it up and you can send it in that original packaging. It's well protected from the factory, the way that it's packaged, and that's great. These are pretty big, so it costs a little more to ship this guy. For the Solnova, this tube that the Solnova comes in has these foam cups in it, and this is a great protection. Once you take out the accessories and everything that comes with it, you can just condense that right down to half the size, and this is great protection for the machine. It's well padded, and it's safe. So when you're shipping your machine, you want to leave out your manual. This is just adding extra weight. We don't need this. It doesn't help us, and it's going to cost you more to ship it. So keep that at home. Stick it in your drawer. Just include your power cables, your adapter cable. We want to test those along with the machine, and please make sure you include your repair form fully filled out for us. This guy, great protection. Solnova in there, and then put that into your shipping box with some bubble wrap to protect it. Give it some padding. You do not want to hear this bouncing around when you've packed up your machine for shipping. Same thing with your Hawk pen. These guys, some of them have these sleeves, the newer ones. I really like these. They keep the box securely closed. If you don't have this, I recommend throw a little bit of tape on there just to keep it secure, keep it tight in there when it's shipping. Throw a little bubble wrap in on top of your pen. Some padding, keep it in there secure. Box it up, include that repair form, ship it out. When you do ship your machine in, do include the cables so that we can test those, and we can eliminate those as being the cause of the problem that you're having. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Check out our 8-part series covering Cheyenne Repair topics, Cheyenne Service and Repair, and see you next time.